begin to wake up in the morning and come into consciousness, this part of your brain just begins to process a tremendous amount of information. The smells, the light, the sounds, everything that's going on around you.
Mm-hmm.
After a couple moments, you get a logical thought. Oh, I have to get up.
Mm-hmm.
Over here, the feminine side will say, oh, I'm warm and comfortable. I don't think so. And then logic over here says, she's not getting out of bed. I have to come up with a better plan. You're in Mount Shasta. Emotion.
Mm-hmm.
You can go shopping. You have an appointment today. Get out of bed. Okay. It is not until logic and emotion agree
Mm-hmm.
that something will be created. It won't happen. It's important in a relationship or friendship or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Until the masculine logic can entice the feminine emotion. You're just beating your head against the wall. It's not ever going to work. It's the truth.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
You know? So it always has to come up with a better plan. Okay? So that's the challenge in every relationship or friendship, is that.
Yeah.
Okay? But also in anything that you want to create. Okay? And when the feminine recognizes that logic has to meet the emotion, then it makes it so it can work. Okay? And that always comes out to the very highest and best solution.